Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. In today's video, we are going to be opening up the Wizarding Trunks High Security Vault. This one is themed after the Marauders. If you don't know who the Wizarding Trunk is, they are a subscription box. They have a bi-monthly box, and they also have a special edition quarterly box. They focus all of their box around magical items and stuff like that. I also do a lot of design work for them, so I do a lot of the graphic design as well as designing items and kind of actually helping with ideas sometimes for items. So if you like my work and you enjoy my designs, definitely consider subscribing. If you like what you see in this box and you decide to subscribe, I've linked their website in the description box, and I do have a discount code for you. It is Wizardry Workshop, and it's good for 10% off. I've also put that in the comment section as well as the description box. I did design the box for this, and I did design several things for this box, so I will kind of talk a little bit about my design choices and things when necessary, and I'll let you know which items are the ones that I designed. And we also have the Wizarding Trunk pattern there on the inside flaps of the box, and if we open it up, we have right on top a shirt, and this is something that I designed. So here is the t-shirt design. It is for the Magical Map Makers Society, and you can see it has a castle here and some maps over here with footprints walking across. So yeah, this is just a fun little design, an ode to the Marauders. It feels really nice and soft, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing put on and see how it feels. So here is how the shirt looks. I think it looks good and it feels nice and soft. Yeah, pretty cool. Now we'll go ahead and reach in for another item. I'm gonna go for this item here in the brown bag. This is definitely a pin, and yes, it looks to be the Shrieking Shack. I wonder if that goes on our pin banner. Ah, it does. So if you did get this pin banner from the last box, the Shrieking Shack is going to go right here. Another shop to put on our banner. Now let's grab another item out of here. I'm going for this big, gigantic one right here. I do know what this is. I have seen the print that is on this, but I only saw it in a smaller form. This thing is definitely going to be a lot larger than the one that I saw. So I'm just going to open it up here, zoom out as far as I can, and we'll see. It is the willow tree. So this would be the Whomping Willow. We'll get a better look at it here so you can see most of the print. It's very big, but it is a nice soft blanket, perfect for winter time. The only thing that I will say is that I don't really like the blankets where you do that and then it's just like you don't even know what you're looking at anymore, But, that's just me nitpicking. It is a nice soft blanket with a nice art print on it. Next we will go for this box. It looks like it's probably a potion of some kind. Yes, a memory vial. I think this is like the 5th one that they've done. I love collecting them and, having them together on my shelf. It just looks really cool. And they also do have a little bit of a swirly effect in there as well. So if you shake it, you can see there's a little swirl in there. Next, we have a big box. So what could be in here? Ah, it's a mug. See, there are things, even though I did the cheat sheet, I just don't remember. I usually do the cheat sheet a while before we get the boxes, so sometimes it's hard to remember everything. This is really cool. I like the shape of it. It's not your typical thing. I love it when it's not just a typical coffee mug, because anybody could just slap a print on a coffee mug. I like it when it's something unique, and this is really cool. One of the reasons why the Wizarding Trunk wins. And you can see the Marauders here. This is a really cool one, and yeah, it's just nice. It feels good when you're holding it. Next, we have a bottle here. Oh, this is the potion. They usually put them in a box. They tricked us this time. Here it is. You can see how thick it is inside there. That's really cool. I like how thick they made it look. I did design the label on this. So here it is, the Enchanted Willow Sap. So this would be sap from the Whomping Willow. We have a tree on the wax seal here that is gold. Very nice. I like the green in there, kind of like gives it more color in there, so it's not just all gold and yellow. Also, the shape of the bottle is really nice. The colors in there, it just looks like sap. It does. It looks just like sap. Okay, next we have another item that I designed. This is a magical castle map design. You can see it, we've got potions, charms, dark forces, and here we have the haunted corridor, ancient runes, numerology, divination, study hall, lost wands. This is actually a scarf. It can also just be a tapestry if you don't wear scarves. I don't really wear scarves, but it can be stylish. I'm probably gonna hang it up as a tapestry somewhere. Next we have another tin. So we got one of these in the previous box. This is a tin that you can mount on your wall. This one isn't as shiny. I like that. The other one was very shiny. It was a mandrake tin. This one is obviously for the haunted shack. It says keep out haunted and condemned. So it is the haunted shack. Last time it came with some mounting stickers, but I don't see any in this bag. Next we have, I'm just not even gonna look. Oh, okay, here we go. This is another item by me. It goes along with the Enchanted Willow Sap, and this is the ingredient page for that, the Enchanted Willow Sap. And the book is the Potion Master's Guidebook. So we've been doing a lot of different pages for this book that you can collect. At some point, there will be a way to put them all together and display them. It's not going to be a binder. It's going to be some other way that you can display these. Next up, we have what appears to be a photograph. It looks like a wedding photo, and it's definitely the Potters and the Marauders when they were young at the wedding. Next is another item that I designed. So these are stickers, and they are name banners that you can write your own name in, and you can actually stick these on the official Marauders map. This is the official Noble Collection Marauders map right here. Just as a side note, this is one that I modified in a DIY video. You can check that out on my channel if you want, but I actually ripped this flap out of there very carefully. The reason being, it says Peeves may lurk here is what it's supposed to say, but look at it. That's it. It's all messed up. It also the map doesn't say Peeves may lurk here there. It's supposed to say Room of Doom. So I actually printed my own right here, and it says Room of Doom, and it does match up, and then it opens up to match up with the rest of the map as well. So yeah, it's just a little DIY that I did. You can check that out if you want to. But as you can see here, there is a lack of footprints on this map. That's where your new stickers come in, as they match the colors of this map. As you can see, it pretty much blends right in there. But you'd be able to write your name, or anyone's name really, on a sticker, and then place it wherever you want it on the map, and you can draw the feet in, the footprints, or whatever you want to do there. So that was kind of the idea with those stickers. And in case you're wondering if these stickers will match my Marauders map replica that you can also check out on my channel, the colors are different. I used a completely different texture, different color of staining and stuff for my map, so they will not. Next, we have another item, and I think the cheat sheet after that. This one is the next edition of the Enchanter. I designed these magazines from cover to cover. I have a team of very talented writers who help me write the articles. I write a couple, and they write a lot of the other ones, so they are all in the credits section in the back. But it is designed as if you're actually in the wizarding world, so it's not going to break the third wall or talk about anything that is not magical. So the Wizarding Trunk and I teamed up to make this an actual magazine you can subscribe to. It's a quarterly magazine, so you get one every 3 months. Right now, the subscription is $16 and you get charged for that every 3 months to get your edition of the Enchanter. And we are running a sale right now for a Christmas sale. So if you want to get the subscription for somebody as a gift, you can do that. I will put that discount code in the description box and a pinned comment down below. And the only other ways to get this is if you're subscribed to the special edition quarterly box from the Wizarding Trunk, or you can subscribe to a special tier on my Patreon where it includes the Enchanter as well as other perks and stuff, and that's a monthly thing. And I think the only thing left in there is the cheat sheet. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box, so we can set that aside. One side of the cheat sheet is that print of the willow tree, so even though I couldn't show the whole thing in my camera, you can see it now. It's just a very, very beautiful watercolor print. And here is everything that came in this box. Next, we're going to take a very, very quick look at the cheat sheet to give credit to the artists where credit is due. I've already gone over the items that I designed, so we're not going to talk about those at all. The Haunted Shack sign was designed by Storm Sparrow. The Haunted Shack pin was designed by JP Mistlecrow. The Vial of the Past was bottled by Pureblood Apothecary. The Willow Blanket was designed by Giza Graphics. The Wedding Photo was designed by Euphoria. That's a new artist to this box. The editor's choice is the Harry Potter Enthusiast, and you can find them on Instagram at harry_potter.enthusiast. And the next bi-monthly theme is the Second Wizarding War. And that does it for the cheat sheet. Now I'm going to pick favorites. I always do my top 3 favorites. I'm just going to set everything aside that I had a hand in designing because I don't pick my own things as my favorites. This is a tough one, actually. There are going to be 2 that are coming in spot number 3. So coming in at number 3 is the tin sign for the Haunted Shack, as well as the blanket for the Enchanted Willow. I love both of these pretty much equally. Coming in at number 2 is the mug. I think this thing is really cool. I'm definitely going to use it, so that's always a plus. And then coming in at number 1, you probably already know, is going to be the memory vial, because I just love these things, and I love my collection of memory vials. And that's it. Let me know what your favorites were in the comment section below. Also, like I said, if you are going to subscribe, go ahead and use my discount code Wizardry Workshop for 10% off. And if you're going to subscribe to the Enchanter, use the other discount code, the Enchanter discount code, which is also down below. As I mentioned in the beginning, I do work very closely with the Wizarding Trunk on a lot of stuff. So if you have ideas and you like certain types of items and stuff, comment below and let me know what you guys look forward to in these boxes, and I'll put in a good word for those items with Dustin at the Wizarding Trunk. If you made it all the way to the end of the video with me, you're a Wizard Harry. Give it a thumbs up down below if you did enjoy this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed for more Harry Potter unboxings, DIYs, and other magical content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.